Online news sites link related topics in layers, rather than putting them side by side as newspapers do. As a result, navigation is very important on any newspaper's website. In Harrower's examples in the textbook, he shows that the print product uses a large photo to catch the reader's eye, while the web uses a smaller image. The current design trend, however, is for larger photos, more like those found in the newspaper. Let's take a look at two versions of the same story from the NC State Technician. The one on your left is from the printed newspaper. It has a large black and white photo, followed by a headline and 3 columns of text. On the right is the online version of the story. There's still a large photo, this time the color version, with the headline above it. The text follows, but is formatted in one column to make it easier for online readers. The online version also contains a second image, which you can access by clicking this link here. Because the internet is not only limited by the physical space constraints of the newspaper, the online version of a news article can include more information than the original print version. The web creates an incredible opportunity for journalists to move beyond the printed word and image and create a full multimedia experience for its audience. Web stories can include audio, such as sound bites from the recorded interview. If you're interviewing a band, you can embed an audio player from the band's SoundCloud or Bandcamp account. Video, such as highlights from a sports game or a play that you're reviewing. Links and other places to get more information about the topic. Now here's a pretty simple example of incorporating multimedia in a story from the Raleigh News and Observer. It's a brief article about Garner's Scotty McCreery and his remake of a classic country song with a video to the performance. As consumers, we view social media as a social network, a way to connect with friends and family, or even to make new friends from around the world. Journalists use social media a different way, as an information network. Journalists can use social media to report via crowdsourcing. That's asking social media followers to become sources by submitting information about a newsworthy topic. Now, this really isn't all that different from the person on the street interview, in which you ask a random person about a topic. At least this way, you guarantee that the source will actually have an informed opinion on the topic. Now, social media can help before you write to come up with a story idea, while you are writing to help crowdsource eyewitnesses and other key people to interview for your story, and after you publish the story to continue the conversation via online chats and behind-the-scenes photos, video, and commentary.